Bitcoin expected to grow 3.5% tomorrow per 30 rates metrics. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. As of this moment, Bitcoin has gained 0.3% and is holding near $65,866.70. Next up, the analysts' perspectives. 30 Rates believes the price could move to $68,192 by tomorrow, which is nearly 3.5% higher. CoinCodex expects Bitcoin to trade higher towards $66,750.86, an estimated rise of 1.3%. Digital Coin Price points out it could head towards $66,357.89, about 0.7% higher. A different projection by Traders Union notes Bitcoin could dip to $65,560.50, about 0.5% below current value. And in closing, Crypto Predictions aims for $61,643.40 by June 17, 6.4% lower than now. This forecast leads in return. That's your lineup of forecasts. Let's keep going. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. The gathered forecasts put the possible move between a drop of 6.4% and a gain of 3.5%. Looking at the numbers, Crypto Predictions comes out on top with 6.4% gain in value by June 17. All in all, you could generate between $5 and $64 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the probabilities, Traders Union has the forecast most likely to succeed with an 82.5% chance. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. The consensus points toward Bitcoin trading at about $65,700.93. Here's the detailed picture. The consensus forecast points to a 0.3% decline in price under current market expectations. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 0.3%. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $3. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Bitcoin holding true is roughly 83.9%. Let's take a moment to explore the market direction for the next 3 days, based on analysts' views. A bullish track is suggested by 30 Rates. Likewise, CoinCodex describes the near-term outlook as bullish. Digital Coin Price suggests Bitcoin won't see major moves. Traders Union sees the price heading higher. Crypto Predictions highlights that Bitcoin could slide lower. By integrating these forecasts, the consensus projects Bitcoin in a bullish direction over the next 3 days. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Bitcoin could continue trending higher in the near term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts targeted tomorrow. That tomorrow is already gone, so let's review them. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $66,325.40. The price move played out differently, and all predictions got the direction wrong. CoinCodex had the most spot on prediction. Let's map it out. Every analyst's forecast was outside the actual boundaries. For ROI, none of the forecasts turned out profitable. And now, see how all forecasts perform side by side. The table includes Crypto Predictions with 73.6% forecast probability, $2,788.6 accuracy, and minus 2.6% ROI. See who managed to anticipate the move best. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is placed in third position for tomorrow's potential returns, with Ethereum showing 2.1%. This comparison features Bitcoin with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. If Bitcoin is part of your portfolio or just on your radar, a like would mean a lot. Bye, folks.